Okay, there's a close-up of the pin situation. There's the pin. You see the long pin is pointing backwards towards the bike, and it's on the bottom section of the shifter. Okay? Now I'm going to do a different angle. I cannot tell which side the elbow is, so let's look at another one I have. All right. On this one here, this is the one that came with the shift lever, but I didn't use this one. I used the bent version, the one that has a little gold. You can see there's the logo. This one here, the pin goes from the top down, and this goes on the bottom. It looks like inside the motorcycle, over there on inside the lever, it's at something like this angle. So I don't know exactly how, I can't see inside the one that I have mounted, but if you see here, I know that the pin goes from the top to the bottom, and you pin it with the retention clip on the bottom here. I'm supposing that the elbow is pointed down because this metal piece on the right side is on the bottom and pointing to the back of the bike. That's the best as I can explain it. I kind of had to just fiddle with it. Now, just to reiterate, when I took the old one off, I left this piece on there. Okay, so I didn't pull this off and try to reuse it. That could also cause maybe some distance problems for the shifter and the cable. Over here on the original stock part, you can see the spring loaded on that side. And here, if you look, the spring loaded section has a little finger that goes over the top, which is right here on top, which is different pin setup from the new piece. So I hope that you're able to see this picture here and get a better idea of where to place the pin. I know I had a little trouble when I was putting it together. It was kind of finicky. I might have even had to load it, preload it, and then like bend it in place just so I could put the retention pin in. But give that a whirl and see if that helps.